Hey guys, my name is Mahul and this is my video on Python. In this video, we'll be talking about lists and tuples. So over here, I've written a program with using a list, and it's a program utilizing insertion sort, where I enter 5 values over here, and then down here, it just sorts them from least to greatest. And over here is the output screen. I haven't entered any values in here, but in a bit I will do so. This should give you an example of what you can do with lists. And the other point I'm going to be discussing in this video is the difference between lists and tuples, which I've given you an example of a list and an example of a tuple here in the comments. As you can see here, when I'm declaring A as a list, I'm also assigning 4 values to it. 1 is in the 0th place, 2 is in the 1st place, 3 is in the 2nd place, and 4 is in the 3rd place. And in here, in the tuple, I'm also assigning 3 values here. 1 is in the 0th place, hello is in the 2nd place, and 2 is in the 3rd place. 1 is in the 0th place, hello is in the 1st place, and 2 is in the 2nd place. So what's the difference between lists and tuples? Like, why does Python differentiate these two data types? Well, it's because lists are more malleable than tuples. To explain, once you enter these values in the tuple, which is B, you can no longer change these. You can't increase the size of the tuple. You can't make this 1 turn into a 5. You can't do anything. However, in a list, you can change the value. Say, I don't want the first place value to be 2 anymore. I could make it so that A1, the value in the first place, is equal to 5. That would change 2 to 5. In addition, the size of a tuple are also of a list are also malleable, meaning that this can go from a 4-value list to a 5-value to a 6-value list. As you can see here, I have declared this list without any values. And then down here, I have appended the values to a list, meaning the value of the list has increased, meaning I'm constantly increasing the value of the list. And so, let's run the program and should give you an example of what you can do. So let's enter the first value is 9, then let's make it 12, then 3, 10, then 2. You can see that the values in this list, let's make this 15. Yeah, you can see the values in this list are not in any order. This is smaller, 9 is smaller than 12, 12 is greater than 3, and etc., etc. Let's enter, and immediately you can see that the values have been sorted from least to greatest. So 3, 9, 10, 12, 15. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you all had a good day, and you could learn the difference between tuples and lists, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye!